Hi students, welcome to our second number topic, operating system. Dear student, this is the third number video of this topic. In previous two video, we learned about introduction to operating system, function of operating system, then interface, then types of operating system, and then booting and types of booting. Dear student, in this video, we learn about next point, working in window. Dear student, when you start a computer, then means switch on the computer, then some instruction are going on your screen. This means called booting. You know that. Okay. Then after that, you start computer. One box is appear. That is a main screen. Okay. Page number 18. 5th number point working in Windows. It allow many users to work on the same computer. Mean dear students, suppose in your home there is one computer, but you are two or four brother and sister. Then you want a separate account on your computer. You can create. Okay, means there is your own account in your computer. It allow many user to computer, means in your computer we can create your own account. Each new user has to register and create a user account by giving a unique username and password. If you want to create a new account in your computer, you can also create your account and you can keep your data safe. Okay, first login. After creating username and password, when you start computer, then you can enter username and password, mean login. First number point, on starting the computer, a welcome to window dialog box appear asking to identify yourself by giving the username and your password. Okay, then you can type your username and password and you can log in using this username and password. The computer will tally the information you type in the one stored computer. Means your username and password is correct, then they can tally. Okay, then it open. Only if it matches correctly will you be allow access to the computer. Means if you type a correct information while typing a username and password, then they can tally and they can allow to enter the computer system. Okay, this is called login. Okay, you understand login means you can enter in the computer system for using username and password. Then next point, desktop screen. You know that after booting and loading of OS and logging in the first thing that you can see on the monitor is called desktop screen. On your computer system you can see a desktop screen. Okay, it like the personal workspace of your writing table. When you work in Windows, your main workspace is desktop. Desktop is the control center of the window. Just don't note that desktop is the control center of the Windows. Desktop has small icon that run certain important program we frequently use. Some icon give access to the storage device of the computer. Just don't, computer system, there is a mini icon. Okay, know that icon is a small picture with label. Okay, in this icon mostly are application. Okay, means you can use for to daily work. Okay, and then also folder and file also. Okay, these are the desktop screen. Then means desktop screen is the main control center of your Windows. Means all programs we can all program icons we can keep on your desktop screen. Then third number, icon. On the desktop you can see several small picture with label. Just one I told about this. Icon means a several icon we can see with a small picture with label. These graphical symbols are called icon. Here also there is different types of symbol with picture. Okay, for example, here is a bandy cam. Here is a application, here is a symbol, and here is a name Bandicam. These are the icons. An icon may represent a program, a disk drive, a folder or file. Icon represent a program or folder or file. Okay, not only file but also program, folder and file. An icon is self-explanatory. The picture clearly indicates which program, drive or folder the icon represent. Dear students, you can also know which icon represent different types of label. For example, here is the icon world, means W. They can represent the world file, and here show this folder, and here also indicate the Bandicam software, and here also show network, Adobe Reader file, Firefox. These are the different icons, okay, with label. Then icon are used to quickly launch a program. This icon also used to launch quickly. For example, you open another application, for example network, you can click and you can launch the application. Are the main purpose of this icon, means we can quickly log in or quickly open your requirement. Then you can put the icon of frequently used program on the desktop or remove those which you do not. Means, dear student, you can remove or add many program file, folder and files. Okay, if you want remove this file, you can remove or delete, or you can cut or copy. If you require, you can paste here. That is you can show on your desktop screen. These are the main control center of your Windows. Then fourth number, taskbar. The narrow bar at the bottom of the desktop is called the taskbar. Just one you can see here is the taskbar. This is the narrow bar at the bottom of your desktop screen. डेस्कटॉप स्क्रीनच्या सर्वात खालच्या बाजूला एक जी पट्टी आहे त्या पट्टीला आपण टास्कबार म्हणतो. या टास्कबारवर अनेक तुम्ही जे ओपन केलेले फाइल्स आहेत, फोल्डर्स आहेत, त्याचे स्मॉल टायनी बटन हे तुम्हाला इथं दिसतात. ठीक आहे. देन no matter how many windows you have opened, the taskbar is always visible at the bottom of your monitor screen. Means dear students, there is no matter you can open many file, folder, program, but taskbar always open on your desktop screen, that is below the desktop screen. This taskbar, on the left side you can see the start button. On the left side there is a start button. This start button you can see or launch mini program, that is a start menu. Then next to the button, this is the quick launches toolbar, which has the icon program which are often used on the extreme right of the taskbar. You can see the real time clock. This is on the right side of your taskbar. There is a time and date which show the current time as you work in window. The taskbar also show the program button of all program windows. Okay, these are the opening program. Fold file are open, then Bandicam software also open. They can show your current status of this program. Okay, these are the taskbar. Understand, taskbar is the narrow bar at the bottom of your desktop screen. Left side